Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video, we will be fixing or we will be learning how we can fix when your taskbar is not working in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or PC. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let us go to our task manager, and we can do that by simply pressing Ctrl Shift and Escape key, or even making a right click in our Windows icon and then go to Task Manager options. So once this Task Manager window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just go find for Windows Explorer options. It could be under apps or it could be under background processes. So just look for it, and then once found, please select it. Once selected, please make a right click on it and then just make a quick restart and see if it's working already. And if it's not, then let's proceed with the second process. So here in our Windows icon, please make a right click. Let's open settings. And once the settings is open, let's go to personalization. And in here, let's find for taskbar options. This one, taskbar behaviors and taskbar items, system tray icons. Let's go to taskbar behaviors. We have to make sure here that under taskbar alignment, the option that says automatically hide the taskbar is not checked or not selected. So once this is checked, please unselect it. And once done with these options, let's go to Windows Update. Because sometimes updating when Windows is just the solution with all the problems with our device. So just check or just see if you're up to date, and if you're not, then just click on this check for updates button here, and you will be your device will be updated. Okay, so once done with all the process, just make a quick restart with your device and see if it's working. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.